Super NWD. Hang her on there, boys.
Get in there just a minute there.
You should have moved that old tire. Ooh, easy, easy. Hang on to it, Art. Guide it while he's working it there. Alrighty. Ooh, oh. How's he looking left and right? Yeah, Art, ease on forward, Joe. Oh, easy, slow. Woo. Is he in, Art? Won't you lean your forks forward now, Joe? Keep it away from them where it don't come back on you. There you go. Now up some more, Joe. Up. Shake it a little, Art. Shake it. All right, Joe, forward. Shake it, Art. Shake it. Up a little more, Joe. Up a little bit more. Up a little more. All right. Shake on it, Art. Shake on it. Let's go over and help him. Shake on it, Art. You got it completely jammed there. I don't know what you've done. There you go. See? There's something over on that other side holding it, Joe, off on that pattern side. Art's got something there. He's got his hung. In that second, yeah, in that video is gonna turn out dark. Now, Art, push that duck toward the driver's side. Don't put your hands so far up there. Yeah, right there. So you ain't going in. You're not getting into the bulkhead. Is that it? Did it go in? Ease on forward, Joe. You in there now. Watch where you put your hands, Art. Oh, you jammed again. Up a little, Joe, I think. They were twisted a little. Let me go ahead and